Welcome to the final episode of our HTML. So, what are HTML entities? So, HTML uses certain characters like less than and greater than and as part of its syntax. So, when you want to display these characters as actual content rather than code, you need a special way to represent them. Without entities, browsers would interpret these characters as HTML markup, potentially breaking your page layout or causing security vulnerabilities. So the common HTML entities are ANLT for less than, ANGT for greater than, and special symbols like ANCOPY for copyright and ANTRADE for trademark. Let me show you. ANLT and ANGT. Open this with preview and you can see less than, greater than. On same goes for ANTRADE. You can see trademark symbol and AND copy. And there are various HTML entities, so you don't need to memorize them. Just search them on Google whenever you want to use a specific HTML entity. Here are some more examples given to you. Use pre and code tags when displaying code sample to preserve formatting and clearly distinguish code from regular text content. SEO basics and core web vitals. Now, here the SEO system will be done by you. Usually, you will be using a framework to code. So, you can study this on your own, and I will provide you the slide. Here, you can even take the screenshot. And let's move forward to the accessibility in HTML. You can have image accessibility. Every image needs descriptive alt attributes that convey the image's purpose and content to screen readers and users with visual impairments. ARIA roles and labels use ARIA attributes like role equals to navigation and ARIA label to provide additional context for assistive technologies and when semantic HTML isn't sufficient. So form labels, proper label elements associated with form inputs ensure screen readers can identify what each field represents, improving form usability. Semantic structure using semantic HTML tags like nav, main, and article creates a logical document structure that assistive technologies can navigate effectively. Email best practices. Code quality standards. Writing clean and maintainable code, not just in HTML. Every language you write is the basic for every developer. So you should have clean formatting, meaningful comments, and modern standards say that avoid deprecated tags and attributes. Stay current with HTML5. And for the deployment, I you don't learn deployment just after learning HTML, but just to tell you that when you will be learning HTML, CSS, JS, and you will know some frameworks, you will be a web developer. You can host your basic pages on GitHub and Netlify, and even for advanced project, you can host them on Vercel, and you can also choose a cloud service like DigitalOcean or AWS, and anything you like. So there are various cloud services, you can choose something you want. So this organize your files because whenever you are uploading a project for production, you should have it organized. First test it locally and then deploy